Hello students and hello everyone. Welcome back to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Today we will do practice set 27 on textbook page number 45 and practice set 28 on textbook page number 46. First we will begin practice set 27 on textbook page number 45. Simplify. First one, 7 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 2. You have to use the formula a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. 7 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 2 is equal to 7 raised to 4 plus 2. You have to write this formula again. In every sum you have to write this formula in bracket. The question is in a raised to m into a raised to n form. If the question is in a raised to m into a raised to n form, you have to write in a raised to m plus n form. In multiplication, if bases are same and indexes are different, you have to add only the index. Base you have to write as it is. So add only the index here. Base write as it is. That is equal to 7 raised to 6. Next, minus 11 raised to 5 into minus 11 raised to 2. That is equal to minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2. Answer is minus 11 raised to 7. I have added only index. Base I wrote as it is. Next, 6 upon 7 raised to 3 into 6 upon 7 raised to 5 is equal to 6 upon 7 raised to 3 plus 5. Correct answer is 6 upon 7 raised to 8. Next, minus 3 upon 2 raised to 5 into minus 3 upon 2 raised to 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 2 raised to 5 plus 3. Correct answer is minus 3 upon 2 raised to 8. Next, a raised to 16 into a raised to 7 is equal to a raised to 16 plus 7. Correct answer is a raised to 23. Next, p upon 5 raised to 3 into p upon 5 raised to 7 is equal to p upon 5 raised to 3 plus 7. Answer is p upon 5 raised to 10. Now we will do practice set 28 on textbook page number 46. Simplify. First one, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4 is equal to a raised to 6 minus 4. In division, if bases are same and indexes are different, you have to subtract the index. The formula will be a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. In every sum, you have to write this formula. Now you have to subtract this index. Base write as it is. Correct answer is a raised to 2. Next, m raised to 5 divided by m raised to 8 is equal to m raised to 5 minus 8. Subtract only the index. Base write as it is. Correct answer is m raised to minus 3. How you got minus 3? Because if you subtract 8 minus 5, answer is 3. Greater number is having negative. If the greater number is having negative sign, answer is negative. Next, p raised to 3 divided by p raised to 13 is equal to p raised to 3 minus 13. Correct answer is p raised to minus 10. Again you are getting negative index. If you subtract 13 minus 3, answer is 10. But greater number is which sign having? Negative sign. So the answer is negative. Next, x raised to 10 divided by x raised to 10 is equal to x raised to 10 minus 10. 10 minus 10, answer is 0. That is equal to x raised to 0. Any number or variable raised to 0 is answer is 1. That is equal to 1. A raised to 0 is 1. B raised to 0 is 1. 4 raised to 0 is 1. Any number or variable raised to 0 is 1. But after subtracting here 10 minus 10 you got 0. Base you wrote as it is. X raised to 0, answer is 1. Now we'll solve practice set 28, question number 2. Find the value. You have to use the same formula. A raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. In question number first, how we have solved? You have to solve the same thing, but you have to find the value. First one, minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12 is equal to minus 7 raised to 12 minus 12. Subtract only the index, base write as it is. That is equal to minus 7 raised to 0. 12 minus 12 is 0. If you got minus 7 raised to 0, answer will be 1. I told you any number or variable raised to 0 is answer is 1. Next, 7 raised to 5 divided by 7 raised to 3 is equal to 7 raised to 5 minus 3. That is equal to 7 raised to 2. First you have to subtract only the index, base write as it is. 7 square is 7 into 7. After subtracting this index, you got square, because 5 minus 3 is 2. Base you wrote as it is. 7 raised to 5 minus 3 is 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2 means 7 into 7. Now you have to multiply this. 7 sevens are 49. This is the meaning to find the value. Next, 4 upon 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 upon 5 raised to 2 is equal to 4 upon 5 raised to 3 minus 2 is equal to 4 upon 5 raised to 1. 4 upon 5 raised to 1 means answer is 4 upon 5. Now we'll solve last one. 4 raised to 7 divided by 4 raised to 5 is equal to 4 raised to 7 minus 5. If you subtract 7 minus 5, answer is 2. Base write as it is, that is equal to 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 means 4 square. Multiply 4 2 times, that is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. If you understood practice set 27 and practice set 28, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.